Unlock the power of I am statements for personal growth. Have you ever felt stuck, as if your thoughts were holding you back from the life you deserve? Imagine unlocking a tool so simple yet powerful, capable of rewiring your mind and transforming your reality. The words I am can do just that. Get ready to explore how. Language goes beyond communication. It shapes our thoughts, beliefs, and perceptions. When you declare I am, you anchor your identity and intentions. These powerful affirmations guide your subconscious, gradually replacing doubt with empowerment. This simple tool can reprogram negativity, empowering you to achieve your fullest potential. I am statements are positive declarations, starting with the two simple words, I am. For example, saying I am confident shifts your focus towards self-belief. These statements act as mental resets, paving pathways in the brain that align subconscious patterns with your conscious goals. Start small, repeat daily. Consistency and intention are key. Choose affirmations that reflect desired qualities, such as I am resilient in overcoming challenges. Repeat these statements every morning and night. Engage emotions and visualize the results. Feel your confidence as you say, I am capable, or I am powerful, or I am abundant. With time, you'll notice a profound mindset shift. Adopting I am affirmations can feel empowering. Imagine facing a daunting task and replacing self-doubt with the declaration, I am strong. These words subtly yet powerfully shift your perspective, turning setbacks into opportunities. Over time, this regular practice uncovers hidden potential and builds unwavering inner strength. The power of I am lies in its ability to reshape your world from the inside out. Start today. Declare your potential. Repeat. Envision and embrace the change. Share these life-changing words with those around you. Become the catalyst for your own and others' growth. Say it now. I am ready.